Welcome to Studio 64. It's very great to receive the biggest stars of Hollywood, Tommy Lee Jones and Will Smith. Hello Tommy, how do you do?
I am fine, thanks.
Hello Will, how do you feel?
Hello, time for invitation.
Can you answer some questions about yourself? People want to know about their favorite stars.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Are you American, Tommy?
Yes, I was born in Texas, USA.
Okay. Someone said that you studied in Harvard. It's true?
Yes, of course, and graduation in literature.
Wow. When you were young, did you practice any sport?
Yes, I used to play football.
Oh, it sounds interesting. When did you start your career as an actor?
My first participation was in Phil Kayet Love Story in 1970.
3.
Oh, it sounds interesting. When did you start your career as an actor?
My first participation was in an Phil Kayet Love Story in 1970.
Did you sometime visit Mexico?
Yes, I did. I went to Cancun with my family. Mexico is a wonderful place. I love it.
Thank you so much for this great information. A little pause and we continue with Will Smith.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, Will, are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Were you born?
I was born in Pennsylvania, USA.
Were you happy when you were a child?
Yes, I was. I had beautiful childhood. I was two brothers. I was two. Then my family. I was is great.
Did you remember your first participation?
¿Qué, güey? ¿En TV?
In TV.
¿En TV?
When did you have your first participation?
¿En TV?
In TV.
¿Lo estás usando?
Sí, güey. Eres un
A ver,
bebé.
voy a repetir.
Did you remember your first participation in TV?
Yes, I do. I was in Sirius Coyet, the principal de Belar. It was very famous.
When did you have your first participation in the movies?
My first participation was in Film College, where they take you. In 92. My first participation was in Film College, where you did you. In 1992.
What was the best film you saw?
You in the script, Hombres de Negro, in Black Man.
Thank you, it was a pleasure for work with you.
Okay.
Yes.
What was the best film for you?
The big scream, Black Man. With this force, I was candidate to Oscar.
Thank you, it was a pleasure for me with you.
Ya, Tizo.
¿Yo qué tengo que decir, güey?
Nada.
Nada, ya nomás te queda.
This is all for today. Thank you so much.